Hey guys, how are you? Max here from Edgevana, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do non-custodial staking with Solana to Edgevana's own validator. Now, in this video, I'm going to be using Solflare, and specifically, I'm going to be using the Solflare browser extension. Now, Solflare also has a mobile app. You might be using that, and if so, that's completely okay. For this video, I'm going to be using the Chrome extension personally. Now, the interface might look slightly different in the mobile app. That's totally okay. The interface might appear a little bit differently, but the instructions will mostly be the same. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stake with my Sol with Edgevana's validator. So to do that, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to click on Solana here. And in this wallet, I have a little bit of Sol. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the stake button. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and click on this max button. Now, you might not want to do that. What this is going to allow me to do is to stake everything I have. Now, like I said, you might not want to stake everything you have, and if so, that's completely okay. Just don't click that max button. Just type in instead the amount of Sol that you'd like to stake, and that's totally okay. Next, what we'll do is I'm going to go to this validator dropdown, and I'm going to type in Edgevana. I'm going to click on Edgevana. I'm going to go ahead and click on stake. And then I'm going to review these details, and I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. I'm just going to wait for this transaction to finish, and it just completed. And now you can see it shows up here. I can go ahead and click on that. It'll actually show you the time to stake. So in this, for this specific transaction, it's going to take about 1 day and 23 hours for the stake to become active. That doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. That just has to do with epochs on Solana. Now, if that's too much of a technical term for you, that's completely okay. Don't worry about it. But if you see this activating on in your own wallet, then you did everything correctly, and just come back after this time has elapsed, and you will officially be staking completely non-custodially to Edgevana. Thank you.